Hey everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the syllabus of business communication skills. Don't forget to watch the video till the end, and if you have any queries related to the syllabus of business communication skills, you can comment here in the comment section. Subject details. Name of the subject is business communication skills. Code is B2 21/202. We will be using abbreviation in between 102 as a subject code. Total marks 100. Credits 3 plus 1, that is 3 for theory and 1 for practical. Evaluation will happen 40, 20, 40 is equal to 100. I'll explain you what is that 40, 20 and 40. The first 40 marks are for the internal evaluation. It will again be divided into 20 into 20. For the 20 marks, assignments will be given, and for rest 20, multiple choice question based examination will be conducted by the college. And for rest 20 marks, those 20 marks are for the practicals, in which the subject teacher will evaluate the students on the basis of their group presentations, maybe individual presentations, group discussions, whichever method which will suit to the subject. And for the rest 40 marks, there will be a term end examination. So term end examination will be of 60 marks, and those 60 marks will be converted into 40 marks. So 40 plus 60 becomes 100 marks for this particular subject. Moving ahead, course objectives. Number 1, to understand the role of communication in personal, social and economical system. So here we will specifically look about understanding the role of communication, why communication is important. Objective number 2 is to understand methods and various types of communication. Here we'll be talking about verbal, non-verbal, written and oral communication to develop the proficiency required in business correspondence, like writing the email, letters, notice, agenda. Here you'll have to have your proficiency in terms of business correspondence. And fourth one is to understand the recent trends in communication. So these are the 4 objectives of this particular course. Here the course, it means subject. These are the course outcome. Number 1, after the completion of this course, after the completion of this particular subject, students will be able to demonstrate the understanding of concepts, principles and role of communication. Course outcome number 2, students will be able to demonstrate the concept of various types of communication. Students will be able to write concise business letters and show proficiency in other types of business correspondence. And outcome number 4, that is the last outcome, that is, students will be able to use recent platforms for the purpose of communication. Moving ahead to the syllabus, unit number 1, titled as Introduction to Communication. In this unit, we will see the concept of communication, process of communication, role of communication in personal, social and economic system, and need for effective communication, meaning and definition, principles of effective communication, and at the last, barriers to the communication and overcoming those barriers. Unit number 2 is methods of communication. Here we will see the verbal communication, non-verbal communication, formal communication and informal communication. Oral communication, its objectives, functions, advantages and disadvantages, and also types of oral communication. After that, written communication, forms of written communication, qualities, difficulties in written communication, constraints in developing effective written communication. And at the last, non-verbal communication, objectives, functions, advantages and disadvantages is forms of non-verbal communication. Unit number 3 is based on business correspondence. Here we will see concepts, need, functions of business correspondence, then essentials of business letters, types of business letters, layout or drafting of business letters, then business correspondence, inquiry letter, reply to inquiry, purchase order, credits and status inquiry, sales letters, complaint letters, and circulars. And report writing and internal correspondence, in that the report meaning, need and importance, types, notice, memos, business promotion letters, leave application, and resignation letter. Unit number 4 is going to be the last unit, which is recent trends in communication. In that we will be seeing the email, types, components, and do's and don'ts of email writing. Then digital communication platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Webex, Microsoft Teams, etc. Then social media communication, the communication happens by using Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So this is the complete syllabus of your subject 102 business communication skills. If you have any queries relating to the subject, the content, you can comment them here in the comment section, and also like the video. And if you're new to the channel, please do hit on the subscription and bell icon. Thank you for your time.